You might think your biggest threat after 50 is lack of exercise. But the truth is, the danger is often sitting right on your plate every single day. Certain foods quietly put enormous pressure on your heart. You might have eaten them for years without a second thought. The problem is, they don't hurt right away. That's the danger. By the time symptoms show up, serious damage may already be done. That's why today, we'll walk through 5 unexpected warning signs that your heart may be struggling. And for each one, I'll share simple steps that can help you protect your health right now. The first sign is swollen ankles and feet. At first glance, it seems harmless. You might think it's just the heat or too much time standing. But swelling, known as edema, can mean your heart isn't pumping blood as efficiently as it should. When the heart weakens, blood doesn't move smoothly through the body. Fluid can build up in your lower legs because gravity pulls it down and your circulation can't keep up. If you notice socks leaving deep marks or shoes fitting tighter by evening, don't ignore it. It could be a sign that your heart is under pressure. What can you do? First, reduce salty foods, since sodium makes fluid retention worse. Second, put your legs up for a few minutes during the day to help circulation. And third, talk to your doctor, especially if swelling happens suddenly or gets worse quickly. The second sign is persistent fatigue. Everyone feels tired sometimes, but heart-related fatigue is different. It's not the kind of tiredness that improves after a nap or a weekend of rest. Instead, it's a deep, dragging exhaustion that lingers. You might feel out of breath when climbing stairs, or struggle with everyday tasks that once felt easy. Why does this happen? Because when the heart can't pump enough oxygen-rich blood, your muscles and organs don't get the fuel they need. Your body slows down, forcing you to stop. If you find yourself unusually worn out, pay attention. It may not just be getting older. It could be your heart asking for help. The third sign is gum problems and bleeding gums. This one surprises many people, but science has shown a strong connection between oral health and heart health. When gums are inflamed, bacteria from the mouth can enter the bloodstream. That bacteria triggers inflammation in blood vessels, which contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Think of it as a constant low-level attack on your cardiovascular system. Over years, this weakens your heart's defenses. The fix? Brush and floss daily. See a dentist regularly. And don't shrug off gum bleeding as normal. It's a warning sign, not just for your mouth, but for your heart as well. The fourth sign is trouble sleeping flat. If you find yourself needing extra pillows or waking up short of breath in the night, it's more than a nuisance. It could be fluid backing up into your lungs because your heart isn't circulating blood effectively. Doctors call this orthopnea. It's often overlooked because people blame it on snoring, allergies, or simply aging. But if you sleep better sitting upright than lying down, or if you wake gasping for air, it's a red flag. What to do? Get checked quickly. Heart failure can progress silently until it suddenly becomes serious. The fifth sign is irregular heartbeat or palpitations. Everyone's heart skips a beat sometimes. Stress, caffeine, or lack of sleep can trigger it. But persistent irregular rhythms, fluttering, pounding, or racing in your chest, need attention. An irregular heartbeat can increase the risk of stroke because blood may pool and form clots. That's why ignoring it is dangerous. If you notice frequent palpitations, track when they happen and consult your doctor. Sometimes medication or lifestyle changes are enough. Other times, medical procedures may be needed to restore a safe rhythm. So, what can you do overall to protect your heart? First, watch your diet. Limit processed meats, sugary drinks, and foods heavy in trans fats. Instead, focus on fresh vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, and fish rich in omega-3s. Second, move daily. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can improve circulation and lower blood pressure. You don't need a gym. Consistency matters more than intensity. Third, manage stress. Chronic stress releases hormones that strain your heart. Simple breathing exercises, meditation, or even light hobbies can calm your system. Fourth, check in with your doctor. Regular blood pressure and cholesterol checks can catch issues long before symptoms appear. And fifth, listen to your body. Don't ignore new changes, even if they seem small. Your body often whispers before it shouts. Let's quickly recap. 5 unexpected warning signs of heart trouble: swollen ankles and feet, persistent fatigue, gum problems, trouble sleeping flat, irregular heartbeat. Each of these might seem small, but together they can reveal much about your heart's condition. Here's the good news. You have the power to act before small signs turn into major problems. Make smart food choices. Move your body every day. Care for your gums. Keep stress low. And see your doctor for regular checkups. Your heart works tirelessly for you every moment of your life. It deserves the same care in return. If this message was useful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more trusted health tips made for you. Remember, prevention is always easier than cure. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you.